Hey guys, the good folks sent me over some cooling pillowcases to try out. We're going to get them opened up, see what they feel like, and how we like them. It says it's 90% polyester and 10% spandex. We will see. They feel pretty good so far. Pretty nice. The ones that I ordered are kind of a two-tone color, if you'll notice. Kind of splits the difference. I thought it would look good with this and my regular sheets. Well, we'll see. What's important, though, is how well they work. So let's get them on the pillows and see how comfortable they feel. They do have a zipper on them. Unzip that. Ways your pillow don't work its way out of the pillowcase. We all know how that can happen. Look really nice. They look good with my sheets, too. Now, these do come in different sizes and different colors. You get to pick and choose which ones you like. So you do have a choice. This was just my choice. See what they feel like on the face. These feel cool. When you compare them to like a regular pillowcase, yeah, they do feel cooler. I guess it's the polyester in it versus cotton. Those will be good for the winter. These are going to be good for the summer. I really like these. You can definitely tell the difference between these and these. Those will be good for the winter. These are going to be good for the summer. I really like the fact that it has a zipper to keep the pillow in here. Really soft material, and I really like this like two-tone color. It's definitely a winner in my book. I like it. Hey, I am an Amazon associate. Any qualifying purchases like this that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.